Hey guys, thanks for stopping by my channel. So I got these crash bars from Royal Enfield to put on my Interceptor 650. The way you do it, you've got to take the bolts out of the motor mounts. The top bolt is an all the way through bolt, and there's two bolts, one on each side on the bottom. There's a hanger on the motor, so you shouldn't have to jack the motor up or anything like that to get these bolts out. So when we look at the motor, this bolt right here is your motor mount. I've already loosened it up on this side. I'll zoom in a little bit. And I just used a 9/16 wrench and a socket to get these out. Then on the bottom of the motor, there's another motor mount right here. And again, I just used a 9/16 wrench on one side and a socket on the back. So I've already taken the bolts out from the top and the bottom. And if you order this from Royal Enfield, you're going to get 3 bolts with the kit. You're going to get 2 short ones, and you're going to get 1 long one to make up for the spacers that are welded on to the crash bars. The bolts actually don't come with washers or nuts, so hang on to the ones that you take off of the motor in the beginning. So now I'm simply going to take the crash bars and line up the holes with the motor mounts. Don't forget to take the washers from your old bolts and put them on your new bolts. And that one went in pretty good. Once you get the bottom bolt in, you can go ahead and put in the through bolt. Again, don't forget to put washers on both sides of the bolt. So I'm going to do the same thing to the other side, and then I'll tighten up the bolts and we'll take a look at it. So I got the bars on and I got them tightened up. I actually really like them. They're pretty low profile. And again, it's just a little safety feature. It's better than getting my legs stuck under this thing if I do lay it over. This bike weighs almost 500 pounds, so. And when you look from the side view, you really don't notice it that bad because it stays in line with the frame. That's actually why I got it in black. The ones I saw with chrome, it took up the frame and it looked like the frame was chrome. So that's all I've got for today, guys. If you haven't already, go ahead, click subscribe, and stay up to date with our latest videos. Well, thanks again, and have a wonderful day.